And let's go ahead then and wrap this session up. So first, I really want to thank all of the presenters for all the information you shared and how well I think you are teeing up and provoking some thought around what might be discussed in the breakout groups. So thank you all very much for doing that. So some of the next steps that we just want to emphasize, tomorrow we have another set of very interesting presentations. This time they are focused on their case studies of successful collaborative approaches. That begins at 10 a.m. Mountain. Once again, we'll have a morning session and then we'll have an afternoon session. I won't read you the agenda. I believe you have that handy for tomorrow, but we do have 8 different case studies. So I certainly hope that you'll be able to join us. A real value of those case studies is that the breakout groups are very much solution oriented. So trying to think about what could be done that maybe either isn't being done, or how might one better improve what is being done to leverage it a little bit better. So hearing some of these successful approaches we think will be very helpful for the breakout group discussion next week, as was this foundational information that was shared today. So thank you for that. And again, just as a reminder, the breakout groups next week are online interactive working sessions, and the active participants are limited. Those of you who are in a breakout group should know that. You should know who you are. We'll be sending out some emails today that will provide your links to that next week breakout group session. If you do want to check online on May 11th, we'll have some information available for those breakout groups. And then again, June 8th or in that neighborhood, the online engagement will be available for a much broader audience. So those of you who are in breakout groups can comment on other breakout groups' work, or those of you who were listening as attendees and not as part of any breakout group will be very much welcomed to engage in that online activity. So we look forward to sharing that with you. So again, tomorrow 10 a.m. is our start for some great presentations. I'm just going to check to see if Tom Remington with Western Association of Fish and Wildlife Agencies, he's been kind of leading the planning team on this. Tom, do you have anything to add?
I think you said it very well, Susan. I think that was a great wrap up. The only I would mention, so we're featuring 8 case studies tomorrow. There's another, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 in the write-up that we're not having oral presentations on, and we by no means captured all of the good examples of collaborative conservation. But if you have a good one, we'd love, if you'd be willing to write it up, we'd love to include it in part B of the strategy as inspiration and positive examples of a path forward. But that's all I had. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Tom. And again, thanks everyone for participating, listening in, presenting, all of that. Really appreciate it. And we'll wrap up for today, and we will look forward to hopefully seeing all of you again tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Mountain. Thank you.